Now let's look at how big the market is. Did you know that there are 1,200 flights that take off from Delhi alone, not a month, but every single day? Similarly, 980 flights take off from Mumbai, 700 flights take off from Bangalore, 268 flights take off from Hyderabad, and 230 flights take off from Chennai. Now imagine this. There are people traveling left, right, and center every single day, either for work or for vacation or visiting their family and friends. And if this number does not explain to you how big the market is and how much of potential there is for you to capture, then you would understand the benefit and power of the business I'm here to help and guide you to run. If not, I'm not sure how else you're going to understand the potential of this business opportunity.